Hi! In front of me is VIVO T1 Pro 5, and today I would like to show you how you can use one-handed mode. First of all, go into Tab menu and look for Mini Screen Mode shortcut. Mine is over here. When you find it, click on it. As you can see, one-handed mode is now on. If you want to change placement of it, click on this icon with a square at the top right or left corner. Then drag it and let go. If you wish to resize it, tap on the same icon, hold one of those dots and drag it as well. In order to close one-handed mode though, select this X at the top left or right corner. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!